Hey seniors, Miss E here. I just want to let you know that there are 100 seniors who have not completed the high school and beyond plan in SchoolLinks. You need to complete the 2025-26 high school and beyond plan by logging into Clever, going to SchoolLinks, looking for the plan icon on the left, and going in and completing all the pieces of the high school and beyond plan. This is a part of the senior checkout process. It is a graduation requirement, and at this point you're past due. We came into history classes. A lot of you may have started it but did not go all the way through answering all the questions. You must type your name, that is your signature, and you must hit submit. This is not an option. Please go into SchoolLinks, check it out, and finish the high school and beyond plan. Pick up where you left off if you have not completed the full process. Again, complete your high school and beyond plan in SchoolLinks.